Hello guys, I hope everyone is fine. I am going to release my first video, so if you don't know mathematics, don't worry. I am starting from beginning. I will try my level best to teach you people in a simple way. So I am teaching mathematics with exercise. Like first I will teach you people, then I will give some examples. After that we will go like home. Okay, it's my first lesson, so it is about addition and subtraction operations. First topic is addition. What is addition? If we had two positive integers, the result will be a positive integers. Okay, like these both are integers. If we will add them, the result will be a positive integers. Like 5 plus 8, it will be 13. Okay, 25 plus 13, you can add them like this: 25 plus 13, 3 plus 5 8, and 1 plus 2 3. So the answer is 38. Okay, the other example is 148 plus 325. So 148 325. 5 plus 8 13. 3 we will write there, and 1 we will be add in the next number. So 4 plus 2 6, and 1 plus is equal to 7. So it is equal to 7. 3 plus 1, it will be 4. So the answer will be 473. And now I will give you one example from here. Like it is 3 plus 4. So we will write 3 pluses like 1 2 3, and there are 4 pluses 3 4 5 6 7. So the answer will be 7. It's the same way, like and if we add two negative integers, the result will be a negative integers. Like on the previous page we added two positive integers. Now here we will add two negative integers. Like it is minus 8, it is minus 4. So the answer will be 12, but it is minus 12. And it is minus 12 plus minus 17. Okay, you can do it like this. It is 17, it is 12. But it is also minus, it is also minus. We will add these both numbers, like 7 and 2, it is equal to 9. And 1 plus 1 is equal to 29, but the answer will be in minus 29. Our other example is minus 469 plus minus 816. So we will add these both numbers, like 816, it is also in minus, and minus 469. So 6 and 9, 15. We will write here 5 and 1 we will add in the next number. So it is 6 1 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. Okay, and 4 plus 8, it is equal to 12. But we add these both numbers, but in the result we will write minus. Okay, so it is minus 1285. If you want to write these things, stop my video, write them, then you can start them again. Okay, the other numbers are more than 3. We are going to add more than 3 numbers. So first we have to add these two numbers, then we have to add these two numbers. It is minus 1 plus minus 8 is equal to minus 9. Here is plus. It is minus 24 minus 35. Okay, 35 24. These both are a minus. We will add these numbers. So 4 plus 5 9, 2 plus 3 5, 59. But we will add minus sign. It is 50 minus 59. Now we can add these both numbers. Okay, it is 59 minus, and it is also minus 9. We can add these both numbers. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. We will write 8 here, and 1 we will add in the next number. So it is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. the answer will be minus 68. So the answer is minus 68. Like these both, if we will add them, they will make minus 68. Okay, so you will go to the next page. In this page, two values are given. A is equal to minus 16 plus minus 17, and B is equal to minus 3 minus 4. And the question is asking from us, that is, what is the value of A plus B? Okay, first we have to add these both numbers. A is equal to 16 minus and minus 7. Okay, so we have to add these both numbers. Okay, 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. We will write 3 here and 1 we will add in the next number, so it will be 2. So it is 23, but it is minus 23. So the value of A is minus 23. Value of A is minus 23, and value of B, if we can do it like this, minus 3 plus minus 4. Okay, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, so it is minus 7. And the answer of the B is minus 7. So if we will add A plus B, the answer will be a minus 30. So the answer of A plus B is equal to minus 30. Now this question is equal to K is greater than minus 128 plus minus 159. So what is the largest integer value for K? Okay, first we have to know that this symbol represents the symbol of greater. Okay, it is called greater. If it will be like this, so it is called smaller. Okay, just concentrate on this symbol. If it is like this, so you can say it greater. If this side will come, you can say it's smaller. So now K is greater than. Okay, 1 minus 128 and the other values minus 159. We have to add these both numbers. Okay, 8 and 9. It is 17. We will put 7 here and 1 we will add in the next number. So 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, and 1 plus 1, it will be 8. So 1 plus 1, it will be 2, and there will be a minus sign. So the answer K is greater than minus 287. But the question is like this, what is the largest integer value for K? Okay, now I will make you understand one thing. Like it is 0. Okay, if we will go upside like 1, 2, 3. If we will come downside like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, it will go like this. Okay, so the this one are bigger numbers, and if you will come down, they will be smaller. Okay, so the answer is going K is greater than minus 287. So it is like this. Minus 287 is here. Okay, if you will come down like this, it will be a smaller. Okay, from these numbers. So the answer question is, what is the largest integer value for K? Okay, if it is minus 287, so there is minus 286. So our answer will be this one. Okay, because the question is asking from us this. So our answer is this one. Our largest integer value for K is equal to minus 286. When we had two opposite sign numbers, always subtract the small from the bigger number and put the sign of the greater number in the result. It is like this. If you will subtract two opposite numbers, or you will have two numbers with opposite sign, so you will always subtract the smaller number and you have to put the sign of the greater number. Like there, one example is there. It is 17. It is in plus, and the other is in 15. It is in minus. If you will subtract 15 from 7, so if I will subtract 5 from 7, it will be 2 and it will be 0. So the answer will be 2. But I will have to put the sign of greater number. 17 is greater, I will put it is in plus 2. And the other example is minus 8 plus 9. If I will subtract 8 from 9, the answer will be 1. But I have to put the sign of the greater number. So 9 is greater, I have to put plus sign here. And the other example is 18 plus minus 11. Okay, if I subtract 11 from 18, so the answer will be 7. Okay, so I have to put the sign of the greater number. It is in minus and it's plus. So the minus 11 is greater, so I have to put minus 7. Okay, I have other example. It is more than 2 numbers, like there are 3. So first I have to add these 2 numbers. Okay, then I have to add, it is like 44 minus 7 plus minus 17. Okay, so I do it like this: minus 7 minus 17 and minus 7. 7 plus 7, 14. You will put 4 1 here and 1 you will be add there. 1 plus 1, it is 2. So it is minus 24. Okay, it is minus 24. Now I have to subtract minus 24 from 44. Okay, I will subtract here. It is 44, it is 24. Okay, it is in plus and it is a minus, so I have subtract them. Okay, if I will subtract 4 from 4, it will be 0. If I will subtract 2 from 4, it will be 2. So the answer will be 20. Okay, and it will be in plus because the greater number is 44. Okay, so I will write here it is 20, and I have, if I will not write anything here, it means it is positive. Okay, I will now make you understand from here. And there are 3 minuses, 1 2 3, and there are 5 pluses, like plus 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 plus. There are 5. Okay, so these 3 will cancel with each other. Okay, like they will go with this and they will go with this, and so what is remaining? Just 2 pluses remaining. So I will write here it is 2. Okay, now if addition of 2 numbers with the same value and opposite sign is 0. If we are going to add 2 numbers with the same value but in opposite sign, like it is 15 minus 15, it is plus 15. They are same numbers, same values but opposite sign, so they will cancel with each other and the answer will be 0. Okay, same like here, it is minus 18, it is plus 18. Okay, they will cancel each other, the answer will be 0. Okay, same values, opposite signs, so they will cancel each other, the answer will be 0. Okay, now it is a question like if a is equal to plus 28 plus 15 is equal to 0, then what is the value of a? Okay, okay, I will write here it is a plus 28 plus 15. Okay, we can add them here. It is 58. Okay, 8 plus 5, it will be 13, and 1 we will add there. 2 plus 1, it will be 3, and plus 1, it will be 4. So the answer is 43. Okay, it is 43 is equal to 0. So what should we put the value of a that it can make it 0? Okay, there is just one answer. That's if we will put minus 43, so the answer will be 0 because they will cancel each other, because there is no any other answer with us that we can put something here that can cancel 43 and make it 0. It is just minus 43 that can make it 0. Okay, so the answer, the value of a is minus 43. Okay, in this question there are 2 numbers k, l. K is given minus 210 plus 74, and l is given 350 plus minus 214. So what will be the value of k plus l? Okay, it is asking from us the value of k plus l. Okay, first we have to find the value of k. Minus 210 plus 74. We have always subtract smaller number from bigger. Okay, so I will write here 210 minus 74. Okay, now it is 0, we can't subtract 4 from 0, so I will bring 1 from here and it will be 10, and there it is remaining 0. Okay, so if I subtract 4 from 10, the answer will be 6, and here it was 1, now it is 0, and now I will bring 1 from here and it will be 10, here it will be 1. So if I subtract 7 from 10, the answer will be 3, and here 1 is remaining. Okay, it is 1, and I have to put the sign of the bigger number. So 210 is bigger, it is in minus, I will write minus 136. It is minus 136. And what is the value of L? Okay, L, it is 350, 350 and minus 214. Same case again, it is 0, we can't subtract 4 from 0, so I will bring 1 from here, it will be 10, and here it is remaining 4, so I will subtract 4 from 10, the answer will be 6, and if I will subtract 1 from 4, it will be 3, it is 3, I will subtract 2 from 3, it is 136. Okay, and 350 is bigger, so I will put the sign of 350, it will in positive, so it is in positive. Okay, it is 306. Okay, it is asking from us what will be the value of k plus L. K is equal to minus 136 and plus L is equal to, it is plus 136. So they are same values but opposite sign, so they will cancel each other. The answer will be 0. Okay, if you want to write these things, stop my video and write them again. You can start it. Now it is another topic. It is subtraction operation. Okay, so these two numbers A and B. A is called minuend and B is called subtrahend. Okay, it is minuend and it is subtrahend. Okay, in subtraction, the process of adding the minuend number with the opposite sign of subtrahend number is called subtraction. Okay, this number is minuend, this is subtrahend. If we will add minuend with the opposite sign of subtrahend, it is called subtraction. Okay, here it is one example is given. Okay, 15 minus 10. 15 is minuend and minus 10 is our subtrahend. If I will subtract minus 10 from 15, it will be 5, so it is 5, and I have to put the sign of the bigger number. 15 is bigger and it is in plus, so it is plus sign. Okay, now it is sign multiplication. Sign multiplication is like this. Okay, if the bracket between it's plus and it is minus, it's minus and it's minus signs. If the bracket between plus and minus signs in any operation is removed, then the multiplication of this sign result will be a new sign. Okay, if we will multiply by these signs, in the result we will get some new signs. Okay, now I will give some examples, you will understand them well. Okay, it is like the same multiplication of signs. Okay, if the product of the same signs becomes positive, this rule is always same. Okay, if always we have to means like product multiply plus and plus, it will always give you plus because they have same signs. Minus, it will always give you plus. If you will see same signs, it will always give you plus. Okay, on the next side, it is product of the opposite signs becomes minus. Okay, it is always like this. Okay, if plus minus will come, it will give you minus. If minus plus comes, it will give you again minus. Just remember these two signs because they will be very good for you people. Okay, in next questions we can use them so much. so try to remember them, they will help you so much. Okay, there are some examples according to that rule. It's like 10 minus plus 4. Okay, it is 10 minus multiplied by plus, so it will give you minus because they are opposite signs. Okay, the answer will be 6 if you will subtract 10 minus 1. Okay, now in this question there are two minuses, they are same signs, so product of the same sign will give you always plus, so it is 35 plus 3. Okay, you can 35 plus 3. Okay, 3 plus 5 8, and 3 is equal to 38. Okay, so it is 38. In the next question again there are same signs, minus minus, so product of the same signs will always give you positive, is plus, so minus 3 plus 7. Okay, if we will subtract minus 3 from 7, the answer will be 4. Okay, in next question again same signs are there, plus 4 plus 4. Okay, if we will product this, multiply by these two signs, again it will give you 4, so 4 plus 7. Okay, and the answer will be 11. In this question they are opposite signs, plus and minus 3, so if you will multiply by minus and plus, they are in opposite sign, they will give you minus, so 8 minus 3. Okay, the answer again is 11. Okay, now come to this question, there are three numbers. First we have to like multiply by these two signs, they are in same signs, so product of the same signs will always give you plus. 37 plus 18 plus 5 is equal to, now it is, if first we have to add these two numbers and this, then again this. Okay, then 18 plus 5, okay, it is like this, it will give you 13. You will write 3 and 1, we have to add in this number, 1 plus 1, it will be 2, so the answer will be 23. 37 plus 23. Okay, now 37 plus 23. Okay, 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. We will write here 0 and 1 we will add in this number. 3 plus 2 5, and 5 plus 1 it will be 6, so our answer is 60. Our next example is 33 minus 2 minus 10. First we have to like they are also same signs, so product of the same sign will always give us what? Plus. Okay, so 33 plus 2 minus 10. First we have to add these two numbers. 33 plus 2 it will make 35 and minus 10. So if we will subtract 10 from 35, it is minus. Okay, it will give us 25. Okay, so the answer is 25. There are some other examples in same pattern, so I will solve these questions too. Before solving we will also try to solve them. Stop the video and try to solve them. Okay, now 11 minus 8. Again same question, if I will subtract 8 from 11, the answer will be 3, and I will put the bigger sign, and 11 is bigger, so I will put plus 3. If I will not write anything, it means it is plus. Same question is there, but we have changed the places. Now minus 8 plus 11, answer will be same, again same answer. Okay, in this question there are again same signs are coming, means product of the same sign will always give us what? Plus. So 25 plus 3. What will be the answer of this? 25 plus 3. 3 plus 5, 8, and plus 2. So the answer will be 28. Okay. Okay. In this question, there are more than 2 numbers. It is 28. It will remain like 28. It's plus 3. It will remain plus 3. But there are 2 signs, but they are same. Product of same sign will give us plus. Okay. It is 2 and 3, and 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Okay. So 28 plus 5. Okay. And now 8 plus 5, 13. Okay. I will write 3 here, and 1 we have to add in this number. So 2 plus 1, it will give you 3. So the answer will be 33. Okay, now I think any other pattern scheme. Okay, now in this question, when you are adding or subtracting 3 or more than 3 numbers, you must first operate between numbers with the same sign. Whenever you are adding or subtracting with more than 3 numbers, okay, 3 or more than 3 numbers, like they are 3 and they are more than 3. So first you have to operate between numbers with the same sign. Like in this, the signs are same, all the signs are same. So first I have to operate these two. 2 plus 1, 8 plus 2 plus 1, 3. So 8 plus 3, 11. Okay, but in this question there are more than 3 numbers, and first we have to operate with the same sign. Okay, minus 7, minus 3. So I have to first operate these two. Minus 7, minus 3. The answer will be minus 10. Okay, and then I have to operate 15 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, like 15 plus 5 plus 1. Okay, 15 plus 5, 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, so first I have to add these 3 numbers. They will make 21, and then I add these both numbers, because we have to operate first with the same signs. So minus 7, minus 3, minus 10. Okay, it will be minus 10. Okay, when we operate subtract 10 from 21, the answer will be, if you will subtract 0 from 1, it will be 1. If I will subtract 1 from 2, it will be 1. I will put the sign of the bigger number, and it will be plus. So the answer will be plus 11. It is the same question, but it is in 2 digits. 21 minus 10. The answer is 11. Okay, now one table is given. This table is the table of addition. Okay, it is table of addition. If we fill the above given addition operation table, so what will be the result of A plus B? Okay, first we have to find the value of A. Okay, it is like this. If we will add these 2 numbers, yeah, 105, it is in minus, and minus 35. We have to add these both numbers. Okay, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, so I put 0 here and 1 in the next number. Okay, 3 plus 0 is 3, and plus 1, it will be 4, and here it's remaining 1, so it is minus 140. So what will be the result of A plus B? So our A is minus 140. Now I will find the value of B. Okay, the value of B I have to find from here. Okay, 73 plus, it is plus 107. Okay, first I have to add these 2 numbers, 117 plus 73. Okay, 3 plus 7, 10. I will write 0 here, and 1 I will add in the other number. So if 7 plus 1 is equal to 8, plus 1, it will give you 9. Okay, and 1 is remaining here, it is 1, and it is plus the value of B is 190. So the question is this. This is the table of addition, First we have to fill these a and find the value of a and b. We found value of a and b. Now we will add these both numbers. So b is equal to 190 and a is equal to minus 140. Okay. If I will subtract 140 from 190, 0 0, it will give us 0. If I will subtract 4 from 9, it will give me 5. Okay. And 1 from 1, if I subtract 1, it will be 0. So I will put the sign of the bigger number. 190 is bigger, it is in positive, so the answer will be 50. It will be in positive. Okay, now this question is given. There are two signs. 228 minus a is equal to 105. What is the value of a? Multiple choice questions are given. They are multiple choice questions. So first I have to find the value of a. Okay, 228. Product of the same signs will give us plus always. Okay, plus a is equal to 105. Now I have to shift this 228 to other side to find the value of a. Okay, a will remain AR, 105 is AR. If you will transfer something from AR to the other side, it will go in the opposite sign. Okay, if it is in minus, it will go on that side with plus. If it is in plus, it will go with minus. Now 228 is in plus. If I will shift it to the other side, it will give you minus 228. Okay, now 228 minus 105. Okay, if I will subtract 5 from 8, it will be 3, and if I subtract 0 from 2, the answer will be 2, and if I will subtract 1 from 2, it is 1. I will put the sign of the greater number. So minus 228 is greater, so I will put minus. Our answer is from here, it is this one, minus 123. Okay, now there are three numbers. So what is the result of this operation? Okay, it is minus 104, and there are product of same sign, and there is also product of same sign. So we have done in previous questions, like if the product of the same sign will give us plus. Okay, minus 104, product of the same sign will give us always plus 102. Product of the same sign will give us plus 103. Okay, now there is another question. If you are adding or subtracting more than 3 numbers, 3 or more than 3 numbers, so first you have to operate with the same signs. Okay, now there are 2 numbers with the same sign, so first I have to operate with the same signs, like 1 plus 102 plus 103. Okay, first I have to add these 2 numbers. Okay, 2 plus 3, 5. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So the addition of these 2 numbers is 205. Minus 104 plus 205. So now I have to subtract 104 from 205. It is 205. I have to subtract minus 104. If I subtract 4 from 5, then it will be 1, and 0 0 0, and if I will subtract 1 from 2, the answer is 1. I will put the sign of the greater number. 205 is greater and it is in positive, so 101. The result of this operation is 101, and it is in positive. Okay, in this question there are 2 brackets, like here it is also bracket, it is also bracket. If this kind of question will come, so first you have to solve the brackets. Okay, now I have to solve the brackets here. Okay, first and here there are 2 same signs, so product of the same signs will give us, okay, now I will solve it here. It is minus 40, and the product of the same sign will give you always what? Plus. So it is plus 50, and we will not do anything with this sign. This sign will remain same. Okay, over minus, and in the other bracket 18 plus. Now it is product of the opposite signs. So product of the opposite signs will always give us what? Minus, and it is 60. Now first I have to solve the bracket one. Okay, now I will minus 14 plus 15. Okay, 15, it is in plus, and minus 14. So the answer will be 10. Okay, in this question it is 10. In this bracket, I solve this bracket, it give us 10. Okay, now it is minus. If I will subtract 60 from 80, okay, 80 plus minus 60, okay, it will give us 0 and it will give us 2. So I solve this bracket. The answer of this bracket is 20. Okay, now 10 minus 20. Okay, if I will subtract 10 from 20, the answer will be 10, but I will put the sign of the bigger number. 20 is bigger and it is in negative, so it is minus 10. What is the result of this operation? It is minus 10. Oh, today's lecture is finished. It is my first video I released, so I need your feedbacks because I have to make the videos according to that feedbacks. I will teach with the according to sequences. My today lecture was about addition and subtraction, and my next video will be about multiplication and division. See you in the next video.